Across the planet, apex predators are symbols of absolute power. No rival can match their strength, speed, strategy, stealth, and most importantly, their lethal teamwork. Yet, even their throne, like any empire, is never eternal. In the wild expanse of Tanzania's Serengeti, where the sun scorches the earth, every sunrise is a matter of life or death. The rulers dominate this vast territory, kings without thrones, their reign forged in blood. This is wild Tanzania, an unrelenting battle for survival against merciless predators. As darkness falls over the Serengeti Savannah, before dawn fully touches the ground, the tall grasses tremble under the steps of millions of creatures. This is the Great Migration, one of the planet's most spectacular natural phenomena. Wildebeests, zebras, gazelles, and buffalo head northwest, chasing green pastures, driven by an ancestral instinct. Their journey is exhausting, relentless, and not all will reach the same destination.
A herd of buffalo stumbles upon a swamp in the midst of the arid land. Survival instincts ignite. They charge forward, plunging their heads into the cool water, drinking as if they had never tasted it before. Steam rises from the sun-scorched ground as they rest, nibbling sparse grass, gathering strength for the fierce path ahead. A herd of buffalo stumbles upon a swamp in the midst of the arid land. Survival instincts ignite. They charge forward, plunging their heads into the cool water, drinking as if they had never tasted it before. Steam rises from the sun-scorched ground as they rest, nibbling sparse grass, gathering strength for the fierce path ahead.
Hidden in the tall grass, the lion, the savannah's apex predator, waits. The leader signals with a subtle tail flick. No roars, no cries, just synchronized movement. One lioness slips to the left. Another circles to block escape. A weary buffalo strays from the herd. A single misstep. The lion's attack, swift and merciless. Silence falls, not of peace, but of the echo of death. Lions kill to live in a world without mercy, where every meal is a hard-won battle. Elephants and giraffes linger by a dwindling pool, cooling their bodies under the Tanzanian sun. As the heat intensifies, rivers vanish. A solitary hippo wanders the cracked earth, recalling days when drought was less cruel. In the dry riverbed, hippos wallow in cool mud, laughing in the heart of the desert. Dozens crowd a small oasis, their territory inviolable. Even crocodiles keep their distance, wary of these sodden lords.
But when the mud dries, paradise turns into a tomb. Without water, life fades. The solitary hippo presses on, clinging to the hope of a surviving stream. Luck smiles. It finds a river where another group of hippos thrives, playing in cool water, shielded from the heat. For the wanderer, it's a chance at rebirth, but risky. Hippo territory is sacred. The stranger approaches and the leader charges, jaws clashing in a fierce duel. Defeated, the intruder retreats, wounded, with no mercy granted. Mother hippo and her calf share a tender moment, cuddling in fleeting peace. They bathe by the shore, glowing in the sunset. But danger looms. A crocodile advances, eyeing the calf. Lions watch, not the hippo, but the reckless crocodile. In an instant, it strikes, seizing the calf. The mother's cry tears through the air. She charges, desperate to save her young, but the crocodile's jaws are relentless. Beneath the red water, the calf is lost. The mother remains broken, as nature's brutal truth unfolds. Here, weakness finds no refuge, and death is a heartbeat away. The migration continues, a living river through rugged mountains. Rivers teem with crocodiles, silent killers of murky waters. Patient, they wait hours to deliver a precise bite. Their jaws crush with immense force, snapping bones. Their eyes and nostrils positioned atop their heads allow them to stalk unseen, holding their breath for hours, awaiting the perfect moment to strike. Herds leap into treacherous waters, swimming frantically to reach the arid lands beyond. A herd of antelopes drinks at the shore, exhausted from the journey. Beneath the calm waters, a crocodile lies still, its cold eyes vigilant. It waits for a moment of carelessness, then strikes like lightning, dragging its prey to the depths. Its teeth, like steel traps, offer no escape. Death comes swiftly. In the grasslands, life bursts forth. Lions stride with pride, their manes a symbol of power. Clans led by dominant males wield strength and strategy. Dark-maned lions like a juba reign supreme, defending territory and mating rights. Antelopes with curved horns move in vast herds, their migration a testament to unity and resilience. A leopard's silhouette glides silently, targeting a grazing antelope calf. With a precise leap, it's over. The hunt ends in the savannah's silence. Lions stride with pride, their manes a symbol of power. Clans led by dominant males wield strength and strategy.
Dark-maned lions like a juba reign supreme, defending territory and mating rights. Crocodiles. Wild dogs chase lone antelope calves, silent and swift, reaching incredible speeds. But the antelopes match their pace, forming protective circles, horns as weapons. The dogs hesitate, retreating defeated. The African savannah reveals a wild beauty. Golden fields sway, ancient trees cast shadows over parched ground. Seasons shift. Scorching days, cool nights beneath a starry sky. Animals endure, seeking scarce water, part of a perfect plan. high branches with long necks, eating vast quantities of acacia leaves, their tongues deftly avoiding thorns. Hunt in coordinated packs, striking with precision, their night vision piercing the dark. Zebras, with stripes unique as fingerprints, graze in herds. In the dry season, elephants, antelopes, ostriches, and zebras wander, led by matriarchs toward water. Elephants travel far, some falling to thirst and hunger, feeding the sands for predators. Upon finding water, elephants exult, bathing in cool streams after exhausting days. Hyenas, scavengers of the food chain, crush bones with powerful jaws, consuming vast meals. Vultures, with keen eyes, spot carrion from afar, cleaning the savannah, preventing disease. After the hyenas feast, vultures take the scraps, leaving only bones to nourish the earth. In the Serengeti, every creature from lion to vulture plays its role. The savanna breathes its pulse a cycle of movement, hunger, and survival, where life and death dance beneath the eternal sun.